One car, 3 videos. It's my next project while I'm waiting on the Hyundai to get its parts here. So let's get to it. A 2003 Ford Focus station wagon. I'll be doing the front brakes, the rear shocks, and the left front tie rod, outer tie rod. Got all my parts here. So let's start with the shocks. First things first, take off the wheel. Got 2 bolts. Bolt 1 here, and then bolt 2 up in here. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. It's up in there. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright, got the old one out. Compare it to the new one. Looks like it's a little more beefier. Yeah, see, that's not even coming back up. I got this one here. Alright, so let's put it in. have it. That side's done. Just gotta put the wheel back on. We'll pick it up at the next side. This one's a little harder to get to. I actually have the heat shield up in the way. It's pretty rusted. I don't know if I want to even try and take it off. I'll just try and bend it out of the way for right now and bend it back.